Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. We'll guide you through how to uninstall apps which you downloaded from the Microsoft Store. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video, so you can actually do this within the Microsoft Store itself, so you can go and close off of it. Come to the bottom of your computer and click on the Windows Start button and then go and click on Settings. Then go over to the left and click on Apps and click on the installed apps. Now you can go and click on Search and search for the app which you wish to go and remove and uninstall. In this case it's WhatsApp. I've got this from the Microsoft Store. Once you found it, go over to the right and click on the three dots and click on Uninstall. Press Uninstall again to confirm your decision, and just like that you've now gone and uninstalled it. It's that simple. Now if I go and search for WhatsApp, as you can see there's no app here. If you guys found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video if you want to see more Windows